So we're in Boise, Idaho at the State Historic Preservation Office, which is the former state assay office where they would convert precious metals and other mining materials, purify them. And so we're digging up pretty much all the tools they used for that. And so we're digging them up and seeing what else we find. We've gotten a lot of ceramic, a lot of like glass shards. It's built in the 1870s, and so most of the stuff dates to the late 1800s, early 1900s. Right now we have a trench in the middle, and that is our feature one. It's where they were digging last year. You can see the strip of grass where it goes, and so that's all backfill, which is why we have it as a separate unit. And then the rest of it is feature two, and it's really artifact dense. You can see down in this corner there's a lot of stuff, and I've been working on bringing that down to 30 centimeters to meet with the rest of the unit. For artifacts, we put everything in labeled bags and send them to the lab. Our lab people know what unit they're from and what level and everything because we document everything. So we just sift through, pick out all the artifacts, bag them, and then once the bags are full, we send them to the lab and get new bags, or we switch them out if we start new level.